Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so let's do some fried chicken, some crispy fried chicken for the Thanksgiving feast, because you know everybody loves chicken. You have that chicken, they'll forget all about turkey and everything else, okay? Alright, so give it a thumbs up, share the video, share the video, share the video, and subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. Check out my links below. Okay, let's make some crispy fried chicken, shall we? Highly seasoned. Let's do it. Well, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is one word: peace. Peace. Find some peace and happiness in your life. Peace. That's very, very important. It brings everything down, the blood pressure down, the stress level down. Peace. And you can find it, because if you have to go and take a drive and be alone, find it. If you have to go in the bathroom, find it. Find your peace. That's the word of the day. Alright, let's do the fried chicken. Okay, our olive oil is already heating up in the frying pan. I already seasoned all the chicken breasts, okay? So I'm going to put the same seasonings in the flour, okay? So we're going to add Lowry seasoning. Sassoon everything. Black pepper. Garlic. Alright, now let's put, and I seasoned it on both sides. The same seasoning as you just seen. I'm going to put that, I want to shake up the seasoning in the flour first to make sure it's through all the flour. Okay, that's a little better. Now let's put some chicken in. Give that a shake. I'm going to just store the rest of the chicken in this bowl here so I can free up the counter. Okay. Alright, let's put some chicken in. I always put one piece in to test the temperature. Oh yeah, we're ready. You hear that? You hear it sizzling? Okay, we're going to put the rest of our chicken in the flour for the next fry. Let's give that a shake. Okay, I always turn it over right away just to see what's going on. To see if it's frying too fast or anything like that. Okay. So you notice I didn't put all the chicken in the frying pan at the same time, because that would drop the temperature and then it takes a while for the oil to get back up to temperature. So you don't want to do that, okay? You do want to get a plate. So I'll be putting the chicken on this mesh so that the oils can drop down onto the plate. This mesh came out of my air fryer. You want to cook chicken to 165 degrees, so you want to have a thermometer to be able to check that. That's very important, a meat thermometer. Okay. So I'll be back in about a minute. Thank you. Okay, our chicken's been cooking for about 5 minutes. Looks crispy on that side. Now I just need it to be crispy on this side. And I'm going to take a temperature. I have my thermometer. You want poultry to be at 165, okay? Just put it right into the middle, and you're looking for 165. Oh, we're at 168. We're done. And you do want to test a few pieces, not just one. Because some pieces are bigger than others, so it would take longer to cook, right? Like those are bigger. So I'm going to give that one more second. Okay, that's 168, that's good. Yeah, we're over 165, we're good. Okay, so these are all good. Now let's put our next batch in. Okay, it's all in. Okay, and I'll be back. We're going to let that cook for about 5 minutes. Thank you. Okay, I turned the chicken over once. Let me turn it again. I turn my chicken constantly, like maybe 3 or 4 times during the whole fry, because that helps to have it cook evenly. Okay, it's looking good so far, right guys? Okay. So I hope you have a very nice Thanksgiving, and be safe and be careful. Eat a lot. Okay. Look at my channel and get some ideas of things that you want to make, because I have done, oh goodness, probably over 20 videos on Thanksgiving series. So you'll definitely have enough material to make all your main dish, your side dish, all of that. I will be showing you how to cook a turkey. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so let's turn the chicken over one last time. Okay. Okay, I want to take the temperature. Let me get another tray. Another setup to drain the chicken. Okay, let's take the temperature. You notice I'm taking the temperature in the thickest piece of chicken, because that's the one that, if that's done, the rest are definitely done if you're thinner. Oh yeah, we're past 165, we're good. I can cut the fire off. Okay, so I'm going to plate this chicken up and show it to you. And so I hope that you incorporate some fried chicken for your Thanksgiving meal, for those who don't like turkey. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so here's our fried chicken. Look at that. Oh, my. Bring that to your Thanksgiving table. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. So I'm not going to take a bite because I have to go, but I would like for you to fry yours and let me know how it came out, okay? for your happy Thanksgiving. Please share the video and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.